That is what I'm talking about. Woo! Hey, more manly boy, yeah! Yeah. That's what I'm talking about. That's what I'm talking about.
No?
What?
It's not dead?
Oh, it's dead. Let's see, I sat probably...
Holy big.
I sat probably...
Thing's huge.
Oh, that's a good meal right there. I sat probably... half hour. Not even.
Where'd you shoot him? Where are you supposed to aim on the turkey? Shoulder?
Half hour. What's that?
Where do you aim for him?
Right for the neck.
Just like deer, pretty much?
Deer's behind the shoulder. No, I just sat and I poked up and I saw its red head. Oh, yeah. And he was totally comfortable.
That looks like a big tom.
Yeah, think?
Is that a tom or a Jake?
That's a tom.
Oh my God, you got the big boy.
Bigger than his. Are we on video? Are we filming?
Video.
Oh my God. That's bigger than your dad's.
Here, let me set it up.
You rock.
Holy shnikes.
I just brought the seat cushion, the decoy, and my gloves.
Wow.
And it was perfect. I just had the rest of the gun on it, walked right into it, and
Where are you sitting?
He sits in that blind.
You rock. 30 minutes.
30
son.
minutes.
I was thinking we'd be sitting together in the morning.
Nope.
I had up for you?
Oh, yeah.
Poor child.
Yeah, well that sticks at like 25, so it's about a 20-yard shot.
How sweet is that?
Wow, you rock. Good job.